was sitting in Perth, and I'd been planning this trip to Phuket for a while, and I turn on the TV, and I just see this rush of water take over Phuket Island. I remember trying to call you to see if you're alright, and I'm going there to visit you and my little brother George, and the phone lines aren't working, and then like we see this other wave and you just see rushes of water and cars flying all over the place. And I'm thinking, shit, that's the beach near Dad's house.
Yeah.
Dad goes on a walk in the mornings along that beach, and I can't get through, and I'm supposed to be flying to Phuket. I think it was that afternoon. I said to my mum, I was like, oh well, I don't know what to do. Should I go to Phuket or not? And she's like, well, of course you don't go. There's like just been a tsunami there. And I was like, well, I want to help. I haven't seen Dad in a year or something. So I went, and it was just like a war zone. It's quite surreal when you haven't seen. I don't think I've even seen a dead body before, and you're all of a sudden seeing like thousands of them being bloated and pulled out underneath cars and stuff. I don't know if you remember, down on the beach, and you know, this woman who's lost like a little kiosk, you know, selling drinks, and she's running up, giving us the last two water bottles. Yeah. And more concerned about our well-being. Do you remember that?
Yeah. That was the amazing thing about the Thai people, is even though I had a huge house there, and I took a lot of people into the house to the second floor because we had no idea what was happening, but they were more concerned about me, even though they lived in a shack and I lived in this big house. And as you say, people on the beach and stuff, they still were more concerned about you. Were you okay? And they just might have had, you know, family members die, etc. So yeah, we gave out money, and I don't know if you recall, we bought mattresses and blankets and stuff like that, and yeah, all my staff, Dan time, everybody hands on.
The way the Phuket Island bounced back from that experience was inspiring.
Yeah, about 6 months I think, and then it all started to pick up again. So yeah, that was another one of those learning experiences which you don't want to have, but it showed you about, you know, what's really important in life, you know, that human connection.